Look at this, guys. Sheesh. Yung cheese na sumusuko na sa leg day, pero ikaw hindi. Fuck. Pinag-dying pants ko siya, guys, para matago din yung maliit niyang legs. Diyan nakikita ko na yung liwanag, guys. Sige na lahat natin dito, guys. Parang yung pagmamahal natin sa kanya. Video lang. Hello guys, so kakadating lang natin sa gym and today is leg day. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko tsaka kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan ko sa leg day, guys. So, let's go, guys. So this is the first set, guys. First time ko din gagawin tong workout na to, guys. Kailangan natin maglagay ng straps. To be honest, mahina kasi yung tuhod ko, guys. Kaya kailangan natin mag knee support. So kung mahina din yung knees nyo, guys, I suggest na gumamit din kayo ng mga knee support para hindi malimit yung performance nyo sa leg day. Lang, syempre, kailangan natin ng sad music, guys, para feel natin yung legs. So that's the first set, guys. 20 kilograms and usually warm up. Kapag heavy kasi 6 to 8 reps, good na, guys, basta na-challenge. Especially kung progressive overload yun. Second set, 40 kg each side. So 205. Second set done. So, up tayo, mga 10. So, importante din, guys, kapag nagbubuhat kayo, especially heavy, na rest in between set. Kasi kailangan yun para mabigay nyo yung best nyo every set. So, papahinga muna tayo. Usually, kapag nag-heavy kasi, guys, mas matagal yung recovery time. So, just take time, guys, okay?
2 hours later.
Last set, guys. Pre-workout. Third set, guys. Yeah, last. Fuck. So yun na yung last set natin, guys. Hanggang 50 lang tayo. Hindi na natin kaya mag-60. So pahinga muna tayo. Then next, medyo maghanda-handa na tayo, guys, kasi it's time for Bulgarian split squat. Okay, guys, so now it's time for Bulgarian split squat, or aka D. Why the fuck am I doing this workout? So let's start, guys. Let's start with 20. Look at this, guys. Sheesh. Yung shoes na sumusuko na sa leg day, pero ikaw hindi. Yun yung importante, guys. Kami na napagdaanan ng shoes na yan, guys. So walang 25 kg, guys. So mapipilitan tayo yung mag 27.5. Alam niyo, nagkaka-gains na kayo sa legs, guys, kapag nagugustuhan niyo na yung leg day. So pahinga muna tayo and then we'll start the second set. Here's that, guys. Pinoy yung forma, guys. Ako nag-style niyan, guys. Gymshark top, made in Manila pants. Link in bio, guys. Yan, guys. Ako nag-forma niyan, guys. Idol niya ako, guys, kaya nagaya niya yung formahan ko. Pinag-jogging pants ko siya, guys, para matago din yung maliit niyang legs. Okay, guys. So, last set na ng Bulgarian split squat. Finally. Nice, G, sir. Four. Six. Okay, guys. So, third workout is leg press. Pero more on focus siya sa good side natin, guys. So, nasa taas yung foot placement natin. Nandiyan nakikita ko na yung liwanag, guys. Second set, guys. Yeah. Last set, guys, para matapos na. Fuck. I love leg day. Okay. So every gym reps, weakness, guys, yung after natin mag-leg press, kailangan natin iligpit yung mga plates na ginamit natin. Okay, guys, fourth workout is RDL. Ito na, second to last workout natin. Okay, guys, it's second set ng ating fourth workout, which is RDL. And yun, mag-stick na lang tayo sa 30 kg, guys, because hindi ko na kaya. So, ito yung magiging finisher natin, guys. It would be the leg extension. Ito na yung finisher natin para sa burnout. Yung natitira nating energy, guys, bigay na lahat natin dito. Bigay na lahat natin dito, guys. Parang yung pagmamahal natin sa kanya.
Stop it. Get some help.
The joke lang. So yun, papaburn down natin, guys. We're going to do 3 sets ng ganito. Failure lahat. Let's continue our workout. This is the second set. Last set. We're done, guys. Let's do a pump check, guys. So makita yung pump. So that's it for our workout for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you guys on next time. Peace.